Hello and welcome to this week's What's Hot, and let's talk Billington. Not Tom Billington, who's a local lad close to me, who's got his electric umbrella crew to the semi-finals of Britain's Got Talent, but Billington, the structural steel and construction safety services provider. Now, it's admitted that the previous year has been challenging, and that looks to be much the same this year. Now, they've secured the forward contracts, but their clients are havering about when their projects are going to start. Of course, client hesitation isn't just confined to Billington, because it's a multi-industry across the board uncertainty due to the decisions and indecisions of the US administration. Now, Billington's chief executive, Mark Smith, echoes comments that I've heard from many managers about being hopeful about a recovery in the second half of 2025. It hasn't stopped Billington's dividend, though, which will please some investors, but not all, as demonstrated by the 20% fall in the share price. I wish them well, though, because the name Billington appears to be synonymous with selflessness when it comes to community engagement. Now, as I record this, stock markets are in a wait-and-see mode pending any announcement from Trump on whether he will impose tariffs on the pharmaceutical sector. So let's look at AstraZeneca, the second largest company by market capitalization in the FTSE 100. And unlucky for some, GSK, it's the UK's 13th largest company. It's treading water as investors are waiting for Trump to make an announcement and possibly change his mind just as quickly. And a London Stock Exchange old-timer, which has been traded on the stock markets for 80 years, is calling time. It is Bank of England banknote maker De La Rue, founded in 1821 and listed on the stock exchange in 1947. It's agreed to be bought by US private equity firm Atlas Holdings, which also owns UK construction firm Bovis. Meanwhile, John Wood Group is mulling an offer from Sidara, who have offered 35 pence a share, and it's also told investors it's not going to publish its full year accounts on time, so shares will be suspended by the 30th of April, so a fortnight's time. A lot going on in that company. An independent review by Deloitte found material weaknesses and failures in the group's financial culture. It's got a lot of debt, and a lot of those debt facilities mature in October next year, so that's being renegotiated. So all a bit messy and stressy. But on the bright side, Peterborough United beat Birmingham in the Virtue Trophy Cup at Wembley this past weekend. They retained the cup. They made football history. And as we know, Peterborough never lose at Wembley. Keep it posh this Easter. Have a nice Easter. I'll be back same time next week.